Hey there! Do you ever wonder how your dishwasher magically cleans all those dishes without you lifting a finger? It's one of the coolest household appliances. Today, let's dive into how a dishwasher works and see how it turns your dirty plates into sparkling clean ones. Let's get washing! First, let's take a look inside a dishwasher. There are a few key components that make this magic happen. The spray arms that spray water onto the dishes, the detergent dispenser that releases soap, the drain pump to get rid of dirty water, and the filter that keeps everything clean and running smoothly. Here's the process. Once you load your dirty dishes and close the door, the dishwasher fills up with hot water. The spray arms spin and shoot water at the dishes from all angles, blasting away food particles and grease. At the same time, the detergent from the dispenser gets mixed with the water and helps break down even the toughest grease. After the first wash, the dishwasher drains the dirty water and fills up with fresh water for the rinse cycle. This helps wash away any leftover soap and food bits. The clean water is sprayed again, and the dirty water gets drained away through the filter. Once the rinsing is done, the dishwasher dries the dishes, usually using a heated drying cycle. Some dishwashers use a fan to help speed up the drying, while others use a steam cycle. Finally, the dishwasher drains any remaining water, and your dishes come out clean, dry, and ready to put away. And that's how your dishwasher works its magic! Fun fact: the first automatic dishwasher was invented by Josephine Cochran in 1886, and it was designed to help her save time with all her dinner parties. So the next time you use your dishwasher, you'll know exactly how it turns those dirty dishes into sparkling clean ones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more household magic. See you next time!